Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to set a password for your account in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. From there, go to Accounts and click on Sign In Options. Under Ways to sign in, click on Password, then click on Add. Now enter a password for the account, confirm the password, and type a hint for the password. Then click on Next, and then click on Finish. Lastly, to remove the password from the account, go to the Password option, and click on Change. Type the current password and click on Next. Leave the fields blank and click on Next, then click on Finish. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.